Wow, New Jersey decks take a beating. The extreme hot, cold, wind, and rain in New Jersey can be brutal. Make sure your new deck is built correctly so it will look good now, tomorrow, and well into the future. Let Deck Guardian discuss your ideas and give you a free estimate. Our experienced deck professionals will offer you deck designs and solutions that will save you both time and money. Deck Guardian's team is 100% customer dedicated. We love what we do and strive to bring every customer the ultimate experience in using a deck contractor. We treat every home as if it was our own, giving it the detailed touch that it deserves. We go above and beyond to ensure our customer's vision is brought to life by excellent planning, budgeting, and the best customer service. Our dedicated, trained technicians will deliver top-notch workmanship to each and every project, regardless of size or value. Why Deck Guardian? Affordable and best prices. 25-year warranty on products. High quality, low maintenance materials. Customer service is our top priority. New decks that resist against rot, decay, and termites. Fast and friendly installation. We are licensed and fully insured with New Jersey registration number 13VH085092000. Deck Guardian is a Trex authorized Platinum installer, the highest level a contractor can achieve in the Trex community. What are you waiting for? Visit us today at www.deckguardian.com or call 908-332-5430 for a free estimate. We look forward to working with you. Deck Guardian, dedicated to excellence.